Hey folks, in this quick video I'm going to run you through how you can send out all of your project information to your subcontractors, request quotes from them, giving them access to the measuring tool and housing all of your project document, communication and information all under the one roof.
You can request your subcontractors to submit a quote for the job by using this feature. Give the job some details. Your project description will be the scope attached to all the trade packages. The quotes due by date will enable us to automate messages to the subcontractors reminding them that they have a quote due. Select the trade packages you want to receive quotes from, press save and it'll bring you to the tender overview page. From here you can add additional trade packages, edit your scope or go into the trade packages and make them individualized scopes. By hitting publish all, you can send out multiple emails to all of your subcontractors with all of the project information and documents attached. Simply press send and each of your subcontractors will get an individualized email with all of the project information. This will give them the opportunity to use ConX and the measuring tool in order to submit a quote to you 10 times faster. Once they submit a quote, you will be notified by email that you've received a quote. Then you can go into the dashboard, see who submitted a quote, request more information and award the job accordingly. By using ConX to help with your pre-construction work, you can house all your project information and communication under the one roof, streamlining the process and making you more efficient as well.